Question, how will the game of cricket escape the COVID lockdown? I mean, cricket generally is not a contact sport. There is very little, if any, direct personal contact between players compared to games like football and basketball, where players will routinely make direct contact with each other. So because of the nature of cricket, social distancing can be maintained even in the slip cordon, which is usually the most clustered area on the field. The general play of cricket is spread over a wide area, which in and of itself lessens the likelihood of exposure. At the same time, the cricket ball moves around among the fielders several times during an innings. The bowlers would have most direct contact with the ball, and the fielders, minus the wicket keeper, because of the use of the gloves, will have direct and constant contact with the ball. So worst case scenario, the ball gets infected with the virus and threatens the fielders. The ball cannot be sanitized because it would change the condition of the ball. But what about gloves for the fielders? Some thinner, less cumbersome fielding gloves? That would work. Yes. And add some fielding masks as well. What do you mean? Football start back. Basketball soon start back. Let's have fielding masks and fielding gloves and get the cricket going again. Yes. What is it? Cricket dead. COVID finally. Kill cricket. No.